So this is what I did, just like the package said. All right. And it fit really well. And since I worked alone, I put staples up in the corner and then this corner on the inside, and the zipper's out here. And then I went through and I put staples, and then I put a second row of staples later after I finished the corners. Since that's my attic, my home, it was pretty good. So I got tired of having this hot attic over here with all of this yucky stuff going on, and I said I'm going to install my very own attic cover. So that's fine. I came right in here and I started putting staples in, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish this bad boy, put a few staples here and then attach them in the corners. So yes, my AC is cutting on. Yay, girl power. Alrighty, so I'm going to get the corners first, and then I'm coming back to finish it up. And then I'll probably get some duct tape, and I'll finish up any areas around the bottom so it can be sealed. That way I can stop all of this heat from coming into my house. I'm sick of it. And I thought, hey, I can do this myself. Okay, we'll see the finished product in a little bit. So now, what I did is I put 2 rows with my handy dandy Work Pro staple gun. I put a lower row and then a higher row of staples across to keep it firm. So now, I don't have to worry about this hot air from this attic anymore. And that's it. Yay!